Imagine walking into a store and having a helpful assistant ready to answer all your questions, guide you to the right products, and even offer personalized recommendations. Now imagine if your B2B website could do the same for you for your potential clients 24/7. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, this is exactly what chatbots can do for your business. In the last video, we explored using predictive analytics to boost B2B ROI. Today, we are going to take a closer look at implementing chatbots for B2B lead engagement. Stick with me until the end because last few points are absolute game changers for building deeper relationships with your leads. You will not want to miss them. So before we dive into implementation, let us understand why chatbots are becoming a must-have tool for B2B marketers. Now, unlike traditional marketing channels, chatbots are number one, available 24/7. So you never miss a lead, no matter the time zone. Then chatbots are instantly responsive, which engage leads the moment they visit your site. And then they are personalized, which offer tailored solutions based on your user behavior. So chatbots don't just answer questions, they create meaningful interactions that guide leads through the sales funnel. Now let's see how to implement them effectively. Now, not all chatbots are the same. So the first step is choosing the one that fits your business needs. So now first let's have a look at the types of chatbots. First, chatbot is rule-based chatbots. It follows a set script and is great for answering FAQs. Then we have AI-powered chatbots. So they use machine learning to understand complex queries and improve over time. Let's look at a few examples. Let's look at Drift, which is excellent for conversational marketing and lead qualification. Then we have Intercom, which is great for customer support and onboarding. Then we have HubSpot Chatbot Builder, which is perfect for integrating with your CRM. So here's a pro tip. If your business has complex products, consider an AI powered chatbot to handle detailed inquiries. Now, why are you using a chatbot? Is it to capture leads, qualify them, or offer customer support? See, setting clear goals will guide your implementation process. Now, here are a few examples of some objectives. First is lead capture, which is to collect contact details from website visitors. Then you have qualifications, which use questions to determine if a lead is a good fit. Then we have customer support, which provides instant answers to common queries. So here's a pro tip. Start small, focus on one or two objectives, and expand as you gather insights. Now, as we all know, one size fits all does not work in B2B. So your chatbot should provide a personalized experience for each visitor. How do you personalize? Here's how. Use visitor data. So greet user by name if they are returning visitors. Then behavior based triggers. If somebody visits your pricing page, prompt them with questions like, would you like a free demo? Then segmentation. So offer different responses based on the visitor's role, such as CMO versus IT manager. So here's a pro tip. Integrate your chatbot with your CRM to access visitor data and tailor responses accordingly. So a chatbot can act as your virtual sales assistant, qualifying leads before passing them to your team. So here's how it works. So it asks key questions like what's your company size or what challenges are you facing. Then it score leads. It assigns scores based on their responses to prioritize high value prospects. Then it schedule meetings. So which it integrates scheduling tools like Calendly to book calls directly. Now let's understand this with the help of an example. So imagine a visitor who shares that they are from a 200 employee company looking for marketing automation tools. Now the chatbot flags them as high priority lead, and schedules a demo with your sales team. So here's a pro tip again. Keep the questions short and conversational to avoid overwhelming the visitor. Now, lead nurturing does not stop at emails. Chatbots can keep the conversation going. Here are a few examples of nurturing. First is follow-up content. So share relevant case studies or blog post. Then webinar invitations. So prompt leads to register for upcoming events. Then product updates. So notify existing clients about new features or upgrades. Here's a tip again. Use conversational language that feels human, not robotic, to build trust. Now, to get the most out of your chatbot, it must work seamlessly with your existing marketing stack. So you need to do some integrations. So here are a list of few key integrations. First is CRM, which automatically log conversations and update lead profiles. Then email marketing, add leads to nurture sequence based on chatbot interactions. Then analytics tools, track chatbot performance and identify improvement areas. For example, integrating Drift with HubSpot allows you to capture lead details, qualify them, and add them to a personalized email campaign, all automatically. So here's a tip. Regularly review integration data to ensure your chatbot strategy aligns with your overall marketing goals. Now, but then how do you know if your chatbot is working? You measure its performance. So here are a few metrics that you must track. First is engagement rate. So how many visitors interact with the chatbot? Second is lead capture rate. How many leads does the chatbot generate? Then you have conversion rate. How many chatbot leads turn into paying customer? So here's a pro tip. Use A/B testing to experiment with different chatbot scripts and optimize for better results. So a chatbot is not a set it and forget it tool. It needs regular updates to stay effective. So what do you update? First is scripts. So refine based on user feedback and analytics. Then you have FAQs. So add new questions as they arise. Then you have behavior triggers. So adjust triggers to align with changing user behavior. So here's a pro tip again. So collect user feedback to identify pain points and refine your chatbot strategy. Now let's have a look at some real world examples of chatbot success. First is Slack. Now it uses a chatbot to onboard new users and answer FAQs, therefore reducing support requests by 30%. Then we have Drift, which helps B2B companies qualify leads in real time, reducing response times and increasing conversions. Then you have HubSpot, which captures leads and nurtures them with personalized conversations, therefore boosting ROI. So here's a pro tip for you. Study successful implementations to gather inspiration for your own chatbot strategy. And there you have it. Implementing chatbots for B2B lead engagement. From choosing the right tool to personalize conversations and integrating with your marketing stack. Chatbots can revolutionize the way you engage with your leads. The key takeaway? Well, chatbots don't just automate conversations, they create meaningful interactions that drive results. In our next video, we will discuss automating B2B marketing campaigns with AI. Learn how to streamline your campaigns, improve efficiency, and boost ROI. Do not miss it.